Hello everyone! Good evening! Welcome to my vlog, Yorme23. We're going to Happy Farm. Shout out! Eating with my friends.
Hello guys,
Jeffrey,
how are you?
aka
Shout out.
Opa Jake.
We have a dinner today.
Ruby, Carolina Herrera,
Happy Farm.
Amado Carchir,
Let's go guys.
Collaboration with Opa Jake
and
23. Ano mo nasabi mo?
let's go. Ate Jerina, Elizabeth Arden.
Yan ang gusto kong i-try na sulit.
Guys, welcome to Dubai Expedition.
Guys, this is my friend.
It's a pleasure to
Opa
collab
Jake.
with Yorme 23. Shout out po sa lahat na nanonood ng YouTube ni Yorme. Nandito tayo ngayon, not in Istanbul, but dito lang tayo sa Dubai. Dubai tayo guys. Go Dubai.
Shout out Opa Jake.
Yeah,
The revival.
Guys, are we still in the right track? Are we still in? Are we lost? Are we lost? Guys, nawawala po kami. 2 oras na po kami naglalakad, guys.
Regards to my big boss, Sanjay Lama, Boss Shapik, Boss Tangkachan. Stay healthy always and take care.
So, tamang-tama pagdating.
Guys, yung nagalit na yung isa sa mga artista namin.
After 1 hour, naghahanap rin kami kung saan yung hotpot. Sana makita na namin kasi 2 hours na kami naglalakad dito.
Guys, shout out Chipsy, Concourse A.
So, okay
Number
na
1.
to. Okay na to.
Especially perfumes. BA. Chipsy. Number 1.
May trabaho na nasa pagkamal.
Regards to all airport staff. Marhaba, Binata, Emirates Airline, G4S, Transguard, Innovate. Stay healthy and enjoy your life. Regards to my friend Electronics, Danny, Ron Keremit, and Barry. Also Marlon. Take care always. Hello to all. Ship A, Concourse A, especially electronics staff. Ron Chua, April John, Sir James. Stay pretty boy, my friend. There is a lot of food. Chicken, shrimp, squid, beef, fish tofu, squid balls, crabs, seashells. We're eating, guys, after duty with my friends. Ate Jerina, Jeffrey Santos, aka Opa Jake, Amado Carchir, Jenna Lancom, and Ruby Penhaligon. Regards to Katrina Sisley, Marisa Laperi, Rosalinda Peregamo. Take care and stay beautiful, my friend. Guys, I'm working at Dubai Duty Free since 2008 October until now. I love you so much, Dubai Duty Free. Number 1, Rakam Wahid, Mia Mia. Kulo tamam. God bless to all my big boss. Stay strong, stay healthy always. And take care. Hello to all my friends and colleagues. Kenya, Emirati, China, India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Morocco, Tunisia, Egyptian, Bangladesh, Philippines, delicious food, squid, shrimp, beef, yummy. Also, seafood soup, number 1, Mia Mia. This is Little Lamb, Happy Farm, Hot Pot, Barbecue Buffet, at Sharap DG Station. Schedule time 12 p.m. every day until 1 a.m. Come here guys, let's eating. Yum yum.
Pwede.
Itong chicken.
Andiyan pa sila.
Regards to all BA Garland, Rakam Wahid.
Happy Farm.
Shout out Elizabeth Arden. Number 1. Number 8. Mia Mia.
Hello to Richard Suyat, the pretty boy. Karcher, number 1. The best, no one can beat. Shout out Kuya Ryan, Makapagal, Boss RB, and Christopher Pescador. Jeffrey said, too much hungry. Guys, please subscribe to my friend Opa Jake in Facebook, The Revival. Hello to all BA of Elizabeth Arden, number 8, number 1. Jeffrey saying he went to Royal Atlantis and now he went to Little Lamb, Happy Farm. This is Ruby from Carolina Herrera, and this is Jaina From Lancome, beautiful, too much. I'm eating squid. Shout out to all Shishido, Cheryl, and Leonids. Mia Mia, Rakam Wahed. Hello to Paring Albert, Paring Janelle, and Paring Carlos. Stay healthy, stay pretty boy. Shout out to all Filipino. Welcome to Dubai. Yala, come here, Habibi. Guys, I love the food. Too much. Mia Mia. Number 8. Rakam Wahed. Ice cream. Chocolate. Strawberry. Mango.
Thank you, happy farm, busog talaga kami. And after this, we go straight to Happy Spa. On your right, it's Happy Spa.
Guys, thank you for watching. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Enjoy your life. Maasalam. We love you all. God bless.